This is how much money I made today with Pionex. You can see here that I made $196 in profits with only $273 invested. And this is an absolute beginner's strategy. I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it step by step. So stay tuned until the end of the video so you don't miss out on any important information. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been following for a while, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be discussing how to make daily profits with Pionex crypto trading. This is one of the easiest ways to make passive income. It doesn't require you to go out there and trade or try to predict where the price will go up or down. It is very simple, very straightforward, and definitely something that anybody can do. In order to follow along, all you need to do is click on the link in the description below. Once you sign up, it will look similar to this. Now, I've already logged into my account, so mine will look a little bit different. But for you guys, when you first log in, it will look like this. Once you're logged in, click on Trade and then scroll down just a little bit until you see the option for Launchpad. Click on Launchpad. Now what we are looking at is all of these new crypto projects that are looking to raise money. These are brand new projects that haven't been released to the public yet. And people like us get access to invest in them before anyone else. What this means is that we can buy these coins for a very cheap price because they are brand new and no one else has bought them yet. Then after the sale period ends, which is usually 10 days, these coins will be listed on the market and we can sell them for a profit. So let me give you an example of a coin that I invested in. So for this example, we are going to be looking at a coin called Mimo. So all you need to do is click on the coin and then click on buy. We can see here that the price of the coin is around 1 penny or 0.0001. So what I am gonna do is invest $10. So I am gonna type in 10 and then click on buy. Now it says that my order has been successfully filled and we can see here that I bought 1,000 coins for $10. Now all I have to do is wait for the sale to end, which is on November. So right now it is October and all I have to do is wait for these 10 days to pass and then I can sell my coins for a profit. The goal is to buy low and sell high. We can see here that the launchpad price is 0.001 and hopefully the listing price will be higher than that. Now this is not a guarantee. Sometimes the listing price can be lower than the launchpad price, but that is very rare. Most of the time it is going to be higher, and that is why we are taking this risk. We are investing in brand new coins that haven't been released yet because we believe that they will be worth more money once they are released. Now I want to show you another coin that I invested in called Fracity. So I am gonna go ahead and click on this coin right here, and then I am gonna click on buy. For this example, I'm gonna invest $20. So I'm gonna type in 20 and then click on buy. Now it says that my order has been successfully filled and I bought 2,000 coins for $20. This coin will be listed in 10 days as well. So all I have to do is wait for the listing price to go above 0.005 and then I can sell my coins for a profit. These are just two examples of the many coins that are being offered on the Launchpad. There are usually between 5 to 10 coins every week and all of them have the potential to make us a lot of money. To make things even better, Pionex is offering us a bonus of up to $100 for each coin that we invest in. All we have to do is hold the coins for 20 days and we will receive a bonus based on how much money we invested. For example, if I want to invest $100 into Fracity, then I would be eligible for the $100 bonus. So that would be $100 invested plus $100 bonus equals $200 profit. This is a great way to make passive income and I highly recommend it to anyone who is interested in making some easy money. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.